how to speak so people will actually listen you. I was a dull, shy and introvert boy back in the school. I barely talked to anyone. I just did my work and stayed quiet and kept to myself. But one day, I sat down to myself and realized something was missing. Opportunities were passing me by, not because I lacked skill, but because I couldn't express it. Speaking in front of people felt like lifting a mountain for me, and that mountain was crossing my potential. Fast forward to my university life now. My friends say, "You speak so well, you present the best, you clarify things clearly, you present like a leader." And here's the truth, it didn't happen overnight. I have spent years of learning, refining and failing. Today I'm going to teach you how to master public speaking in 5 minutes. Let's get hard. 9 secrets to speak so people will listen. Number 1. Start with a story always. People don't remember facts, they remember feelings. And stories create feelings. Begin your talk with a personal story, something real, something emotional. Make it suspenseful, make it relatable. It's the fastest way to hook an audience. Number 2. Know your topic deeply. If you only memorize lines, you will forget them quickly. But when you understand every detail, your confidence skyrockets. When you own the content, your audience trusts you. Before any presentation, I spend hours going deep, even if it is just a 5 minutes presentation. Number 3. Make eye contact, real eye contact. Scan your audience with eyes. Look into the faces, not ceilings or shoes. People feel seen, and when they feel seen, they listen. Even if you are nervous, look at their foreheads. It actually works. Number 4. Speak to them, not at them. Your goal isn't to deliver a lecture. It's to have a conversation with many people at once. Ask the questions to engage them, pause and note, respond to their expressions. In class presentation, I sometimes say, "Oh, have you seen this right? Have you been there right?" Then they will answer themselves. Number 5. Stand tall, own the space. Your posture speaks before you do. Stand straight, shoulders back. Walk with calm confidence, not rust. People monitor your energy. Number 6. Less words on PPT, more words from you. If you are presenting a slide, don't make it crutch. Slides should guide you, not speak for you. Keep only key visuals and few words. Let your voice be the real presentation. Number 7. Pause more than you think. Most people rush when they are nervous, but silence is more powerful. A pause gives your words weight. Try it. Right after making a big point, pause for few seconds. Number 8. Use hand gesture naturally. Don't ever glue your hands to the pocket. Use your hands to emphasize, not distract. Open gesture shows honesty and energy. Last but not the least, number 9. Practice in real scenarios. It's clear that you won't improve only by seeing these videos. You have to make an action. Speak in class, answer questions in groups, raise your hand. About me, I improved most by volunteering to presentation even if I was scared to death. Confidence is built in action. It all comes from the collective effort that you show daily. And let me make you clear, I wasn't born confident. I made it brick by brick, step by step. And if I could go from the quiet boy in the classroom back row to one who could confidently speak ahead of thousands of people, why not you? Comment below what is your most proudest or the challenging speaking moment. And if you have already followed some of these steps, mention it in the comment section. And if you have other new steps to follow, add it too in the comment section, because the comment section is all yours. Thank you everyone. This was for today. It's me, Inertia Anish. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, because I'll be getting up with the new videos every week. Till then, bye bye, take care, and be confident while speaking, because it will all come from you, within you.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying